Hello, folks. Hello once more. Tomb Raider is back on VRChat. And what you see is called Sin's Furry Haven by Synthos. Sin's Furry Haven. It was published this month, February the 6th, updated the following day. Recommended capacity 60 people. I like the music, background music as well. Let's take a walk. So the world offers beer pong and billiards. I have always found that I prefer playing pool in real life. You just grab the cue stick and aim, shoot. So much easier on VRChat, and I believe in most virtual worlds it's challenging to play billiards. Oh, the music stopped. I think it was just, you could hear it just on that side. That's probably because that's where you can share content. See? The audio stops in case you want to share content. That's my guess. Let's see what happens when I jump into this swimming pool. Oh. Ah, water sounds. Good. Nice. Hold to grab.